Hi everyone, and welcome to week 2 of our mini demo series. I'm Gannon, one of the manufacturing engineers here at Automation Intellect, and I'm excited to talk to you today about root cause analysis. So what is a root cause analysis? A root cause analysis serves as the first primary action to identifying the true problem at hand and further indicating where to start for improvement. Automation Intellect takes all the guesswork out of choosing an area for improvement, giving your team an excellent place to start for your RCA events. Some common tools that are used for a root cause analysis include 5 whys, a fishbone diagram, Pareto chart, among many others. But today we will be focusing on an example of a 5 whys and fishbone diagram. In a 5 whys diagram, the main point of emphasis is to ask very commonly why until it is agreed that the lowest level is achieved and the root cause can now be actioned. Using Automation Intellect's data, a team could start with a problem at hand, such as low OEE on machine 1. So why is the OEE low on machine 1? Because there is a high amount of downtime, for example, which can also be identified through Automation Intellect's platform. So why is the downtime high on machine 1? Potentially because the servo drive overload alarm has occurred 45 times on average. Why is the servo drive erroring so often? Because the servo could be undersized or is at the end of its life cycle. So the root cause takeaway from this would be to investigate and begin corrective action measures on the servo drive. So note, in this example, it did not take 5 whys to get to the root cause analysis. This is typically just a generalities term, and it may take more or less whys to get to the end root cause. A fishbone diagram follows a similar structure to a 5 whys, but rather puts an emphasis on considering all the categories that could be causing the problem at hand. For the same use case of a low OEE on machine 1, for the manpower, machine, and method categories, we could indicate a new operator not feeling comfortable on the equipment, experiencing high amounts of downtime, work instructions not being up to date, or for the material, measurement, and Mother Nature categories, we could indicate using an alternative supplier of material, go, no-go gauges not being accurate, or finally, an extenuating circumstance such as a power outage for part of the production run. These root cause analysis exercises are only a few of the many options, but are very powerful in the effects they can have in your business. If these topics are something that interests you, I highly encourage you to stick around for our future weeks to come and reach out to us if you have any questions. Next week, we will be discussing bottleneck, identification, and correction. If you'd like to reach out to the Automation Intellect team, you can contact us through LinkedIn or through automationintellect.com. Thank you so much for the opportunity and have a great rest of your day.